What kind of punishment is this? Okay, you may be wondering where I am. I am at Guruge Nature Park in Ja-ela. It's actually in between Ja-ela and Kandana. So when it comes to talk about this, it's kind of a punishment in the ancient history. Let's read this. Dandu Kanda, our ancient lockup, used to keep the offender for a few days under the village headman's custody. Fair enough. Ancient houses. Okay, it's kind of a, what is this? In my language I call this karate. Race karate. It's kind of a race cart. A cart used for the racing purpose. It's a forge. Okay, what is this? Oh, what in the ancient history, the village people used to use these things. A kind of a drum. Kulla. Kulla means winnowing fan. What do you call it? I've seen when I was a child, I've seen people, especially ladies in the kitchen, they used to use this what do you call, before it become rice, the raw rice, what do you call it in English, to, I don't know, in the paddy fields, those who work in the paddy fields, they used to wear like this. And those days they didn't have tractors, they used a buffalo like this. Oh God, lots of things I don't know. I wish I have a tour guide here to explain things. What is this? Do you know our wonderful nature? Bees language. Okay. Oh, in fact I thought this is real. Old bullock cart. Old bullock cart. Cart means, in my language I call it karate. Those days they didn't have vehicles, they used this cart. So in fact this cow is the engine. Okay, the ancient arts. The Frog Prince. Oh, I've seen this cartoon. They made it up to a painting. Peacocks. Giraffe. Okay, kind of giving me a feeling of Disneyland or something. Okay, someone told me, not someone, the driver of my pick-me rent-a-car, he told me there are live animals, even wild animals are here. Oh, I see them. What do you call this in English? Swan? I think so. I think they are called swan. Can I go inside? Oh, it's coming towards me. I don't want to get injured. From this camera I cannot zoom, but I love seeing them. They're kind of dirty. I haven't taken a wash for years, I think. What do you call this? Oh, they mix the medicine those days. Purane behet sekur. I don't know what you call it in English. You can assume in your country what you call this. Village boutique. Village boutique. It gives some kind of a village feeling, you know, how in the ancient history, how people in Sri Lanka, in villages, how they used to live. It gives the village feeling. What is this? Houses. Okay, interesting. What kind of this? I think Thalaeta means sesame seeds. Coffee, I think. Different kinds of seeds. Ancient cupboards. Okay, if you see the traditional Sri Lankan Buddhist couples getting married, the couple standing here and they do the rituals. Can I go and stand here? It's kind of not strong enough. Okay, am I ready to get married now? I kind of feel lonely in this nature park because I see only me here. I don't see anybody else. Where else I can go? Oh, I think I can go from here. Okay. I love to hear the noises, the sounds of birds. They sing. Oh, they created something like Jurassic Park, the dinosaur. Oh, this area feels so peaceful. This area feels so peaceful because there's a giant Buddha statue here. There's a little one. Look at this tree. Feels so kind of a temple premises feeling. Let me walk. You may be wondering, where am I? It is a nature park, which gives the feeling of a village and animals. What is this? Oh, there's a photo booth. They're taking photos. Oh, look at this giant dinosaur. In fact, I can go in this, but I don't want to. There is fish. Okay, let's explore more. Oh, I see something interesting. Okay. It's a naked beauty. Oh, music. I don't want music here. What is this? Oh. Even Donald Trump is here. Abraham Lincoln. Office. There's nobody in here. And who is this? King George in England. Prime Minister of England, Boris Johnson. I see. Who is this? Oh, I know. He looks familiar. I think he's yeah, the first Prime Minister of Sri Lanka, D.S. Senanayake. Now I know him. Okay, I think she's the first female Prime Minister of the world. The world's first woman Prime Minister, Honorable Sirimau Bandaranayake. Great honor. Look at the pride on her face, the way she's standing. Let's explore more. I didn't think I have to explore this much. There's more to walk that way. Oh, the ancient cars. Look at these guys. The ancient cars that they used those days. Back then, years back. Not years, ages back. I love music, but I'm not comfortable with this music when I'm vlogging, you know. It can ruin the monetization of the video. Who is this? There are cafes. I don't know if they are real cafes or just for show. Oh, it's a water park I've seen on YouTube, but I don't dare to do it today. But I will come on another day to experience this beautiful, enjoyable water park. Remember me, I'm coming again. So I spoke to a lady along the way I was walking here. She said there are no much animals. There are some horses and some, what do you call it, asses. Well, I'm walking along this lake. God, I see iguana. I see an iguana. Look at this. I don't know if you can see. Man, I hate these kind of creatures. I doubt there are maybe crocodiles in this lake. Dangerous creatures. There are places to sit, but I don't dare to sit here. Even if you come, don't sit here. A crocodile might grab you from behind. I'm not discouraging you, but I'm telling you the truth. Your life is important above anything. I'm pretty sure there might be crocodiles in this. Where am I walking? I don't know if there are horses or not. Let's go. That lady told me there are horses. Well, there I see horse. It has a name. It's called Gamunu. I don't dare to go close. I never know. They might attack me anytime. Black Cat. The name of this horse is Black Cat. It's very dangerous. They are not well locked. They can jump anytime. Oh, two more horses. Two more brown horses. One's name is Loving Pantoling. The other one is Pawan. It's a boy's name in Sri Lanka. What else I got to see here? It's a very quiet place. Not much animals. what the taxi driver told me was there are even lions, tigers, wild animals exist here, but I don't see. Do you see people are going on a boat ride? But I do not dare to go on a boat ride. Anywhere where there is water, the dangerous creatures on this can be crocodiles. It's very dangerous. I would love to go on a boat ride, but not here. In fact, you have seen my videos. There's one video of a boat ride in Dubai, but that was a safe place. There are no dangerous creatures in the water, but this water, it's very dangerous. I want to say it again, I'm not discouraging you guys not to come here or whatever. Come, but be careful. Whenever you go for a safari or a zoo, there's a lot of bad incidents have happened in the history. So you have to take care of yourself wherever you go. It can be a zoo or a nature park or whatever. So for my safety, I didn't take a boat ride. So I want to experience all the facilities, boat rides, and there's a lot of more options. The ticket is 650 rupees with all the options. But I told him I don't want all the options, give me less price. I just want to see around, make video. She said, okay, go for 300. There's a ticket for 300. Fair enough, yeah. Oh, again, music, come on. 5D cinema. It's a nice place. It's like a carnival area. Everything in one place. Carnival, to see some birds, little animals. Come on, you should stop this music. Okay. I see an aircraft. Let's go nearby and see this. Aeroplane. They named it Guruge Airline. This park is called Guruge Nature Park, and they mentioned the same name on the aircraft. What I should say, aeroplane, Guruge Airline, Sri Lanka in the tail. Look at this car, the smallest car I've ever seen. It reminds me of Mr. Bean. Look at this. It's a small aircraft, not very big. As you know, I used to work in the Dubai airport. Coming this close to an aircraft is not a new thing for me. But something better than nothing. Now I'm jobless. Guruge Airline. Look at the fan. I'm not sure if this song will be caught for copyright strikes. Well, I cannot see inside, but people who inside can see me. Look at the engines. I think this is a real aircraft. Maybe this aeroplane was used for Sri Lanka Air Force. Oh, I see animals over there. Let me go there. But I was wondering, do I have to see only birds here? Like swans? Now I can see some deers. Let me go a little bit closer. I think they are covered in a cage. Well, I wish they are in a cage or something because I don't want to encounter them and get attacked. Oh yes, they are in a cage. He's looking at me like, who the hell are you coming closer to me? Look at this deer. Oh, he's afraid of me. He's scared of me. He's running. Hey, I'm not a tiger or a wild animal. Come close. Oh, he's not afraid. What has happened to his horns? Is this blood? Look at his horns. One horn, both the horns broken, I think. Plucked off. It looks like a ball of blood popping out. Come closer. Come closer. Come closer. Everyone is looking at me like, who is this stranger? Simply, I don't want to make them go mad. That's enough. Just looking at them. Look for some other animals. What other animals I get to see here? In fact, when I saw them at the first place, I got scared. Just when I came closer, I knew that they are not real. Leopards. Look at this. They're hanging on the tree branches. Not real, but made up. What if they're real? I will run away. Asshole. I missed some of the sceneries here because I turned from this place and came along this way. Okay, it's time to see birds. There were squiggles inside. Look at this parrot. Hey, hey, don't run away from me. Come close. Come close. Yes, I can see you're coming close. Oh, are you gonna come and attack me? Oh, shit. Oh, yes. Are you gonna talk to me? Yes, tell me something. Yeah. Yeah, tell me something. Have you got something to tell me? Yeah, talk. Oh, he's not interested. He's going back. What do they eat? Oh. Let's see, a different creature. Oh, he's looking at me like, hey, who the hell are you? Guys, comment below what you call this this kind of bird. Comment below. Let me know what you call this in English. I don't dare to go close, and I do not dare to climb these stairs because I know they can jump. They can jump on you. What are you trying to do? You can try to break this net and hit me. What are you trying to do? Oh my god, they smell so bad. They literally stink. My god, they stink so bad. But somehow I need to get some video shots. Oh, guys, I gotta go. They stink so bad. Guys, help me. Tell me, what are they? Are they ducks? Early in the beginning of the video, I showed you some similar kind of bird. I think they were swans. Am I right? Correct me if I'm wrong. I think these are ducks. There's no way out. I had to jump obviously from here. Okay, the exit is here. Nothing much to see here. I paid 300 rupees. Even if I went for 650 rupees ticket, there's nothing much to see. Good I didn't buy that ticket. Okay. You guys decide you want to come here or not. Oh, the scenery is beautiful. There's a huge lion on top. And who is this? This is the village feeling. Okay. People in the villages, they look like this. And what's this? Sigiri Apsaravi. Okay, if you ever happen to climb the Sigiri rock, and when you go on top, before the utmost top level, you'll see some paintings done by ancient kings. What do you call the paintings of naked women. So it's the same. They made it as a statue. Let me take a quick clean shot. Okay, that's fair enough. This is the entrance. During the pandemic they don't open this gate, so I had to go from the side level. Okay, there's the lion on top. Okay, when I'm about to leave, people start coming by. People start coming by when I'm about to leave. What a pandemic. I was all alone in this park, and people start coming by now. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave the premises. Keep my channel subscribed and stay tuned with your man Jerry. A lot more beautiful videos to come. Mostly I want to do street food videos. Today I didn't find a place. Hopefully very soon I will bring to you a street food video somewhere around in Colombo, I guess. Keep the channel subscribed. Stay tuned. Ciao. God bless you.